Hey Jenny, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your website. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Homerun front page. One thing that I would suggest is having a call to action right here at the top or right in the middle, your phone number, call now. Now, scrolling through here, what I'm looking for is to see how much content you have. So I will say that the site looks very nice. You have some good pictures on here. However, there is not a lot of content. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search on you guys, and you currently have 599 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content on here. You also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with the right amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So Google loves information, and you can strategically place keywords in the content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so a good example of a great keyword is General Contractor Walnut Creek. This keyword brings in 400 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one single keyword. And so underneath the search bar at the top is where we may typically see some Google ads. There are no Google ads popping up at the moment for me, but Google ads can be a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, they can be a waste of money, but if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so, right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And the Google Map Pack is really important. It produces huge amounts of revenue, especially if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots right here. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so, a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, Home Advisor, Angie's List, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot, and you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. There are actually thousands of online directories online. Make sure when you are entering your information into these online directories that it looks identical down to every last character as it looks on your Google Business Profile page so that you can get it counted as a citation. And so down here, I've scrolled down, I've made it to the organic search results. The organic search results should be your main area of focus. They are going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. And so down here, this is actually the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so we can take a look, and you can see that they don't have very much content on here either. So it would be really easy to beat them out content-wise. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically one website shouting out another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a local restoration company that had a really powerful site were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring more power to yours. Over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it's telling me they have 81 backlinks from 24 different domains, are ranking organically for 99 keywords. So I can take a look and see which keywords those are. We want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we can go down, we can see which ones apply to your business, and then you can incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I just did with the keywords with the backlinks. And so right now it's saying that they have a little over 80 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality of backlinks as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high DR domain rating. Click on the best ones and see if you can get your site on those pages as well. You can find some through this company, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, find some on your own. So now it's saying they have 74. That is a very easy number to beat, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and you want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so over here, I have typed in your website onto Ahrefs as well. Right now, it is telling me that you guys have 92 backlinks from 13 different domains and are ranking organically for 33 keywords. So we can take a look really quickly and see which keywords you are ranking for. Like I said, you want to get buyer intent keywords, location specific. So it looks like you guys are going for some buyer intent keywords. They don't particularly bring in a lot of volume, but you are definitely headed in the right direction. You're ranking anywhere from around the 2nd to 10th page. So I think if you were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about into your online marketing plan, you can see yourself get rise in the ranks and start making a lot more money from your website. And so to recap what those were, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so over here, to give you an idea of the benefits of having a well-ranked site, so right now it's saying that they have 84 people go on their site every single month. Often it can be up to 10 times the amount that this Ahrefs tool says, but let's just say that it really was 84. So if you were to say that they were to close, half the people visiting their site were to purchase something from them, that would be 42 customers per month. And if you were to multiply that by an average job of $1,500, which I think it is a lot higher than that, but let's just say $1,500, that would be $63,000 a month. Factor in a 25% profit margin, and you're at $15,750 per month or $189,000 per year. But like I said, this is probably a lot higher, as is the amount per job. So that gives you an idea of the benefits of really prioritizing a powerful website. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.